Hi, I'm Matt with JJ Pools. We're here taking a look at a Pentair Clean Clear 420 filter. We've got a crack over here on the bottom fin. It's spewing out water. So we're going to show you how to replace this tank bottom. So first and foremost, in order to replace it, we're going to turn off all the power. We're going to go to the automation system. We already have it in service mode because it was leaking. Just going to turn off the breaker so the pump doesn't turn on and we end up leaking water everywhere. These are the tools required in order to remove the tank bottom. A 7/8 socket. Pair of channel locks to remove the unions. I'm going to get the big one so we can get that off of there. And a mallet in order to tap on the band clamp. Okay, now we're going to proceed to disassemble the filter here. First, you want to open the air relief valve. And we're going to remove the band clamp with our 7/8 ratchet wrench here. Put it on here. After you remove the sleeve nut and spring, you want to just take the band clamp off. Easy does it. Okay, whenever you remove the top, you just want to grab by the sides. Don't grab by the ARV, air relief valve, or it'll cause unnecessary damage to the ARV and you have to replace this as well. Alright, now we're going to remove the top manifold. Set this off to the side and remove all 4 cartridges out of the bottom tank. We need to remove the drain plug. Alright, now we're going to take off the unions. Off. Remove the tank O-ring, set this off to the side. Tank bottom. Alrighty, we're going to turn our attention to the unions here. They have an old union O-ring, so we're going to replace this with a brand new 083 O-ring. Just going to take a little flathead screwdriver, go ahead and just pinch it together, pop the old one off, go ahead and clean around here. Just get any old dirt and debris off of there. We're going to apply a little bit of magic lube just so it seals it all up. You do this to the top and the bottom. Very simple. Go ahead and rub it on there. Pop it right on there. It's all good. Now we can go ahead and replace the tank bottom here. It already comes with a new bottom manifold. So we're just going to take out the old air tube. Just pop it right back in there. Right back in. Let's go ahead and tighten up the unions. Just make everything hand tight. And there you go. We replace the tank bottom. I'll show you how to put it back together. Alrighty, so we're going to take our old O-ring here. You can replace it with a new one if you'd like. The old one, this wasn't that old of a filter. So we're just going to go ahead and clean this one up. Wipe it down with a rag. Magic lube. Just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way just to seal it up. I'm going to wipe it all the way around the O-ring. This just prevents it from leaking. Let's go ahead and place it right on the edge. The rim. Put it all the way around. It fits nice and snug. That's the way you like it. If it's really stretched out, that needs to be replaced. Didn't turn my hands too black. We're going to go ahead and replace the cartridges. Put one in each hole for the bottom manifold. Place this manifold back on. Make sure everything's lined up. Give it a little tap. Make sure it's nice and snug. Off the bottom of the rim here, make sure everything's nice and clean, so it makes a nice good seal. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then you just want to secure it back on there. Push it down so it seals up. We'll go ahead and take the band clamp and place it around the filter. Push so it snugs it all up. Go ahead and put the washer back on here, and then the spring and the sleeve nut. Go ahead and place it back on here. Hand tighten it. We want to compress this spring all the way down so it's all touching. Seven-eighths ratchet here. And we're going to go ahead and put it on here and start snugging it back up. Okay, now we're going to take the mallet here. We just want to bang it all around on all three sides here to get the spring all the way compressed. Do that periodically while you're tightening it up. The whole point, I just want to get the spring, the band clamp nice and tight, and the spring compressed. Alrighty, so this is where we want to go. So the spring's all nice and compressed here, and that's where you want it. Alright, now we've reassembled the filter. We still have the air relief valve open. So now we're going to fire up, we're going to turn the power back onto the pool pump, and we're going to test for any leaks and release the air. You just come over here, and make sure you turn on your breaker. We just go ahead and put it back into auto mode on the Pentair Easy Touch. Filter pump is turned back on. Now we're blowing out the water. That pump is climbing up. Do not stand around it or above it to prevent serious injury or death. The air is releasing out of the filter. Once water squirts out of here, we're going to go ahead and get this a quarter of a turn. We're rocking and rolling. The Pentair tank bottom is winner ablaze. It's great. We have no water leaks. It's good. Around the band clamp. The water's leaking out. We're at a good PSI. Filter is doing great.